Hello paralog kumno filong nga Kren bapidon haka met ke basyat ke baklan te sachisen nga pens ko bahaya pi sya kane ka channel kumjo ro ya ki baju kursan na kapor sya kapor te hakane ka video ka bamanta ngin yapet ya ki katto kane ki ktin phareng kumno ban translate ya ki sya ka ktin khasi ban daka bangi lek kumne suki pasuki daka jing persyang bat tresitom kajongi ngila ban tip shibon kiktin parang daka bangi persyang suki pasuki te hakane ka video kan ajing mento shibon yaki to kiba kwa ban tip yaka ktin parang kumno ngila ban sngoto haka ktin khasi te krem dapan slam ya kapor in yapet ya ki katto katne ki ktin parang bat kumno ban penkela ya ki syaka ktin khasi te tongin paj nok menta khasi ngapo sniu hanne kamet ngapo sniu hanne kamet English, I had a dream last night. I had a dream last night. Khasi kaksir kakam kia ban yaka rupa. Kaksir kakam kia ban yaka rupa. English, gold is heavier than silver. Gold is heavier than silver. Khasi wat juye lang lok bat ukena runar. Wat juye lang lok bat ukena runar. English, don't keep company with a bad boy. Don't keep company with a bad boy. Khasi shibon ki ai. Shibon ki ai. English, a lot of things. A lot of things. Khasi ngiduwai ha ublay barabor. Ngiduwai ha ublay barabor. English, we always pray to God. We always pray to God. Khasi kalaer kasdang banbe. Kalaer kasdang banbe. English, the wind begins to blow. The wind begins to blow. Khasi kide khao hayo. Kide khao hayo. English, they sell rice in the market. They sell rice in the market. Khasi kiyale kai barok shisngi. Kiyale kai barok shisngi. English, they play all day. They play all day. Khasi ngayok sngow yaka dala kishkor. Ngayok sngow yaka dala kishkor. English, I hear it with my ears. I hear it with my ears. Khasi uto usamla umlong ubabha briu. Uto usamla umlong ubabha briu. English, that young man is not handsome. That young man is not handsome. Khasi Henry umday ubasniu. Henry umday ubasniu. English, but he is not a bad person. But he is not a bad person. Khasi kalabiang mentah nadong syadong. Kalabiang mentah nadong syadong. English, it is now complete. It is now complete.